Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss covalent bond. So how is the covalent bond formed between atoms? The covalent bond is the bond between atoms by the sharing of electrons. It means that covalent bond is formed between atoms by the sharing of electrons. If the electrons are shared between atoms, then the covalent bond is formed. So covalent bond is also attraction between the atoms, but the covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electron. For this, we will take the example of H2O. So H2O molecule is formed by the oxygen and hydrogen using covalent bond. So how is the covalent bond formed between hydrogen and oxygen to form water? First, we will make the structure of oxygen atom. Oxygen has 8 proton in the nucleus and 8 neutron. So oxygen has 8 electron in the shells. So first shell contains 2 electron and the second shell contains 6 electron. Now we will make 2 hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen atom has 1 proton and 0 neutron in the nucleus and only 1 electron in the shell. So this hydrogen also has 1 proton and 0 neutron in the nucleus, but has only 1 electron in the shell. So this hydrogen follow two-plate rule and oxygen follow octet rule. Oxygen will complete its outermost shell by 8 electrons and hydrogen will complete its outermost shell by 2 electrons. Now this time this hydrogen will share 1 electron with oxygen. Now this hydrogen has shared 1 electron with oxygen. This bond is known as covalent bond because these 2 electrons are counted both for hydrogen and also for oxygen. Now this hydrogen will also share 1 electron with the oxygen atom, and this is also known as covalent bond because in this bond electron has been shared between oxygen and hydrogen. It means hydrogen and oxygen has shared 1 electron with one another, and these both electrons are counted for hydrogen and also for oxygen. Now we will count the electron for oxygen and for hydrogen. So 2, 4, 6, 8. It means that oxygen has completed its outermost shell by 8 electrons and hydrogen has 2 electrons in its hydrogen has completed its outermost shell by 2 electrons, and this hydrogen has also completed its outermost shell by 2 electrons. So this is the covalent bond between hydrogen and oxygen. It means that covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electron between atoms. This time hydrogen has shared with oxygen only 1 electron, and oxygen has also shared only 1 electron with hydrogen. So this is the formula of H2O, and this is the formula of H2O molecule that has been formed by the covalent bond. And the structure formula of H2O molecule is OH and H. So this is the structure formula of H2O, and the single line represents 2 electrons. It means we can represent a single covalent bond by single line. This is also a single line that represents the single covalent bond between hydrogen and oxygen. So this is the structure formula of hydrogen. This is the structure formula of H2O.